Yeah, I would definitely recommend Hawkeye. My experience, I live 10 minutes away from here. It works out great. They got a lot of programs. I got my CDL for truck driving. It was outsourced through the company I worked for, but I actually learned how to drive semi out over here, you know, so that was really helpful to jump in with the instructors out there, you know, help you, you know, get ready for the tests and, you know, the small tricks and stuff, you know. You know, like I said, my wife, she did the nursing program out here. She saved a lot of money doing that out here, and that goes really far. I would definitely recommend going to Hawkeye.